Why you are always tired and how to remove brain fog in 7 days. Have you ever woken up after sleeping for hours, yet your brain still feels slow, cloudy, and tired? You try to focus, but your thoughts feel heavy. This condition is often called brain fog. But here's the important question: why does it happen, and can we fix it quickly using science? Today, we will explore the scientific reasons behind brain fog and a 7-day science-based reset to clear your mind. Brain fog is not a disease, it is a temporary state where the brain works below its optimal efficiency. Common symptoms include difficulty concentrating, slow thinking, memory problem, mental fatigue, lack of motivation. In simple terms, your brain is like a computer. If the processor overheats, RAM fills up, or the system lacks energy, the computer slows down. The human brain works in a very similar way. The science behind brain fog. Modern neuroscience points to 4 major biological causes. Number 1. Poor energy supply to the brain. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy. If glucose regulation becomes unstable because of poor diet or long fasting periods, brain cells struggle to produce enough energy. Result: mental fatigue and slow thinking. Number 2. Sleep cycle disruption. The brain has a cleaning system called the lymphatic system. During deep sleep, it removes metabolic waste and toxic proteins from the brain. When your sleep quality drops, toxin accumulate, neural signal slow, cognitive clarity decreases. This produces brain fog the next day. Number 3. Chronic stress hormones. When stress increases, the body releases cortisol. Short-term cortisol is useful, but long-term cortisol damages communication between neurons in the prefrontal cortex, the brain region responsible for decision-making and focus. This makes your thinking feel slower and heavier. Number 4. Low oxygen and blood flow. Your brain needs a constant supply of oxygen. A sedentary lifestyle reduces blood circulation. Less oxygen reaches neurons, reducing ATP production, the main energy molecule in the cells. Less energy equals to reduced mental performance. The 7-day brain reset. Now let's discuss a simple 7-day protocol supported by neuroscience and physiology. Day 1 to 2. Sleep reset. Sleep is the fastest way to restore brain function. Scientific steps. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Avoid screens 60 minutes before bed. Sleep in a dark and cool room. This activates the brain nighttime detox system. Day 3 to 4. Oxygen and blood flow. Exercise dramatically increases cerebral blood circulation. Just 20 minutes of walking or light cardio can increase oxygen delivery to the brain. Studies shows exercise increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a molecule that improves neuron communication and mental clarity. Day 5. Stabilize brain energy. The brain performs best with stable glucose levels. Focus on protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates. Examples: eggs, fish, nuts, vegetables. Avoid sudden sugar spikes because they cause energy crash in the brain. Day 6. Dopamine reset. Constant stimulation from phones, social media, and short videos overloads the brain reward system. Take 1 day of reduced digital stimulation. Read a book, go outside, or spend time in quiet thinking. This helps rebalance the brain's dopamine circuits, restoring focus. Day 7. Deep focus training. The brain improves clarity when it practices sustained attention. Try this technique. Work with 25 minutes deep focus followed by a 5-minute reset. This strengthens neural pathways responsible for concentration. Within days, the brain becomes sharper and faster. The hidden truth. Most people think brain fog means they are lazy or unintelligent, but neuroscience tells a different story. Brain fog is usually a signal that your brain's biology is out of balance. When you fix sleep, oxygen, energy supply, stress level, the brain naturally returns to high performance mode. So if you feel mentally tired all the time, remember this: your brain is not broken. It just needs the right biological conditions to operate at full power. Follow this 7-day reset and your mind may feel clearer than it has in years, because when the brain gets the right rest and stimulation, clarity returns naturally. If you enjoyed this scientific breakdown of the mind, subscribe for more videos exploring the science of the brain, space, and reality.